Hi everybody, welcome to Tips from Stella and your full jump rope workout. I actually tried filming this workout outside, but I got distracted by the weather, wind and all that. But feel free to do this workout anywhere, outside or indoors, depending on whatever space you have. We are marching right now as part of our warm-up, preparing the heart, the muscles and the general body for the workout. If you have no rope, you can imitate having one by simply imitating rope movements as we jump. Otherwise, let's get marching to warm up the body, and we are going to get started. 3, 2, 1. So we shall begin with double hops. Still warming up our body, taking it slow, just simple movements, simple jumps, nothing complicated. And oops, that happens, and we shall move on to some jacks. So side and back, to the side and back, side and back. And back. Keep breathing, tummy towards the spine, to the side and back, side and back. Then front and back, front and back, front and back. You want to skip, simple skipping, bringing down your heart rate a little bit, but I hope you are feeling your heart rate up, your body warm up, and we are ready to move along. We shall get into some stretching. So just stretch out your legs and feeling the stretch in your quads and bringing down your heart rate, catching your breath, not completely down, but to catch your breath. Stretch, tummy towards the spine, stretch and back. No complicated movements, just freestyle jump ropes, and we are going to move on to single hops. So just with one leg, you can begin slowly with double hops or do it faster, whatever you can manage. The other leg. Keep breathing, tummy towards the spine, and get back to both legs and give me some quick jumping. Keep breathing. You're doing a great job, and we want to relax it out. Just bring your knees high and stretch them out. Ooh. Your heart rate is up, you're burning loads of calories. Keep stretching, keep going, and we are going to begin with high knee jumps. Get ready just about now. the single hops, single leg hops. And the other side. Woo. This is quite intense, but you're doing a great job there. And get back to double. And quick jumping. Keep going. You're doing a great job. Whee! And we want to do some stretching out those hamstrings. Ooh. It's really sweaty in here, so you're stretching out, and you will hold it for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and the other leg. Tummy towards the spine. Keep going, keep stretching. We are holding it right there for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So we are going to move into jump twists next. So twist to the side and back, to the side and back, to the side. Jumping, catch your breath. Woo. Moving on to some jacks to the side and back. And back and back. And relax it out with some skipping. We are going to close our workout, our jump workout, with some quick jumping. So get ready, gather that energy, and we shall begin in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So we are done with it. You have done a great job. Let's just conclude with some stretching. We shall begin with the arm stretch. Ooh. Stretch out your hand. My body is on total fire for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and the other side. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and you want to stretch out the back and those arms once again. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and stretch out the chest. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then we want to stretch out the legs, the hamstrings and the quadriceps. Stretch and back. Stretch, catch your breath, and back. Ooh. Just one more. Stretch and back. And next you want to give me that bicep stretch. Just bend over from your back at your hip point and stretch out your arms, holding it right there. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You want to come up and breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. One more time. Breathe in and breathe out. Coming to the end of our jump rope workout. A high five if you made it this far. Thank you very much for joining me. Don't forget to leave me a thumbs up or a comment if you have any questions or something to say to me. Don't forget to connect with me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter and Pinterest, because I do share lots of wellness and useful tips over there too. Don't forget to subscribe for more and hit that bell button for notifications. Don't forget to check out my other videos as well. See you in the next video, and don't forget to love yourself first. Bye bye.